Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to switch between LT1 and LT3 on your Casio Royale, so the Casio AE-1200 WH. As you can see, if I press the light button, the light is going to be on for 3 seconds, and that is because I have LT3 on. If you set to LT1, you are going to have the light on for 1.5 seconds. So what you need to do is to press and hold the adjust button. You are going to hear a small beep, and then we are going to use the mode button in order to toggle between different options. We are going to go past the time and date, and right after that we can see that we have LT. Here we have LT3. If I press the button on the right, we are going to switch to LT1. I prefer LT3. It is going to be there for 3 seconds, while the LT1 is going to keep the light on for 1.5. This depends whether you want to save more on the watch battery in case you use the light function a lot, but I prefer the LT3 because I rarely use it, and when I use it I prefer the light to be on for more. If you want to change anything else, you can use the mode button once again in order to toggle between different options, and once everything is done you can press the adjust button and all the settings have been saved. So now we are going to have LT1 or LT3 depending on your choosing already saved on your Casio Royale. So guys, that was the quick tutorial on how to switch between LT1 and LT3 on your Casio Royale. I'm also going to publish a full guide on all the functions and features on the Casio Royale, including the world time function, the stopwatch, and also how to set the alarms on and off, and how to juggle between all 5 alarms. So make sure to check it out, link in the description box below. Once again guys, if you are into watches, vintage watches and watch tutorials, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, give it a thumbs up because it really helps the channel grow. Leave a comment, let me know what you would like to see next on this YouTube channel, or maybe you have a certain question about your Casio watch. Make sure to write a comment, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.